My name is Elijah White. I go to Madison Park Technical Vocational High School, and I live in Roxbury.
I'm Lewis. I go to Madison Park. I live in South End, Boston, in Via Victoria area.
My vocational instructor, he called me one day. I was chilling at home. He was like, "Get your resume ready, and tell Lewis too."
We at Madison can do things that simply other high schools can't do. And I really think we can help support the needs of the city while the city is helping to provide opportunity for our students to learn on the job, real skills, and then eventually even becomes the folks that are taking those jobs.
We got together a team here within the city of Boston to improve our placements in co-op. And what better place than to approach the various cities' departments?
Why don't we put the lift down? My role here is to manage our parks and all their needs of equipment, which also involves the garage for equipment repair.
During the summer, it's a full-time job. It's a full paid job. Then once school starts, we're still getting paid, but it's 1 week on working here and then 1 week going to school.
We work on stand and sit down lawnmowers. We work on oil changes. We change the blades. If they pop a tire, we change those. With the weed whackers, we change the heads, carburetors if needed, filters. The leaf blower is the same thing, filters if needed, and things of that nature.
I believe my most important role is to really make sure that our students are qualified and also have opportunities to go out and display the skills that they've learned here. I'm an immigrant from Jamaica, and when I came in, when we came in here, I really wasn't thinking about college. I was really thinking about helping my family. And so I went to a vocational school. It was one of the best things that I did.
Back in 1978, I was a graduate of Brighton High School and also a part of this similar program of working 1 week and academic 1 week at school. And it's been very good to me, and I see that being very good to any other student that is interested in the future.
I'm hoping after I graduate, I get hired here, and I'll work here for a couple years. And at some point, I want to move to Central Fleet, which is a part of the city of Boston, but it's more of the cars and trucks.
I just want to say how important the co-op program is. It goes beyond earning money. It's a confidence builder. It's a validation of skills for our young people. It's opportunity that they deserve. And it benefits the community, the student, the employer. It's a win-win for everyone.